Takihowashi Alice with little Marlin Shu. So today it's just me in the kitchen. Shu's going to be filming and taking care of the baby.
Okay, I'll take care of him. So what are you doing today?
I'm going to cook a meal. Before I start cooking, I'm going to have a glass of wine. So let's see what we've got in the fridge. Tomatoes. Great, these are nice and big. Oh, we've got this.
What are you doing?
I'm just gathering them together to move them over there. Oh, it's so cold! Ah, it's so cold, it's hurting my hands. Oh, I love it. There's so much choice. Wow. I've already got loads of ideas of what I can do with all these vegetables. 4 potatoes, Marlin Su. As you know, that's the name we've chosen for our son. Some garlic and some onions. If I was a vegetable, I think I'd be an onion because I have so many different onion layers. Like you peel them off to find the core of me. You know, I'm a very deep person. Oh, this is a big cauliflower. Let's use that as well. You can roast that. I love roasted cauliflower. It's like a ball. This is good exercise. This must be about 3 kilograms. I feel like a proper chef right now. This is my meal. I'm gonna master it. I'm gonna start with the onions. I don't know why, I just feel like it. It's been ages. I'm out of practice.
Why?
Because you cook for me every day. But I know it will come back really quickly. Like a fish in water. Oh, I think I'm getting allergic already. It's going to be dangerous if I continue. I'm going to have to ask you to do this part, okay? Just cut the onions for me. It's dangerous, it's a matter of safety. How am I going to get to hospital if I cut myself? In a taxi? And who's going to pay for that?
Fine, okay.
And also, I think Marlin Su wants me. Good, that's how I wanted it. Good, like that, well done. Yeah, keep going, keep your back straight.
Yes.
Don't forget to clean the knife. Good. Okay, let's do the potatoes next. Another key element of the meal. I'm like you, Chef Shu. When I cook, I don't have a plan. I do it from feeling.
That really made me scared.
Excuse me. Just wait until I've prepared it before you get scared. I've cooked for you before, haven't I? Like 3 times in our relationship. Did you not like it?
Yes.
Okay, so when I chop, watch what I do. This is my technique. I go. It helps me to get a really smooth cut. Can you see that?
I think our son likes the movement that you done.
This one.
Together. 3, 4.
Oh, I'm starting to feel really lethargic. I don't think it's the wine. It must be the fact that I didn't sleep well last night. The baby kept me up. Can you finish this one for me? I'm not feeling good. I want to relax for a bit.
And this?
That one's too thick. Look at the difference. That one, luckily this is not a restaurant because that would not look good on the plate. As you can see, it's much too wide and it's too short.
Me too.
I'm looking at the vegetable as a whole in order to decide the best way to prepare it. I'm going to do something really creative now with my knife. I've never done it like this, but I've just decided because I can imagine that would look really beautiful on the plate. Thin and elegant, like me. This will be how I dress the plate, like this. This will be the bottom layer. Signature dish of Alice. I'm now going to rinse the cauliflower. Oh, it's dripping a lot. So I'm going to smack out the water. You like to be smacked? That hurts. Oh, there's no way I'm going to be doing this with my dress.
So you need help again?
It's not that I need help. It's just that I have chosen to wear something very nice. You're wearing a normal top and there's a stain on the back. You take the risk.
You want to cut like this? And then...
That's too big. I told you I wanted like this.
No, wait, and how are you going to cook it?
I'm putting it in the oven.
A small piece like this in the oven?
This? No. I heard that's too
small.
It's like powder. I want it like powder.
Okay.
I know something
That makes sense. I have to say sorry. Oh! I happened to cut it in big pieces.
This cauliflower cut into such large pieces is really not what I want. But I'm going to save it anyway by putting it in the oven. Beautiful. I'm going to rinse this cucumber very thoroughly because we'll be eating it raw and eating it with all the chemicals. another method that I invented myself. It's very technical and it requires a lot of attention. Wow. Now you just wait to see what I do with this amazing, beautiful tomato. In half. We take one in each hand and then squeeze. Cha-cha. Can you give me my cucumber please, Shu? Rinse my hands. Put it down please, I need to rinse my hands. We even have a naturally occurring triangle shape, which is the same as the holes. Oh, it's beautiful. Have we got some brine ready, Shu? This is our starter.
What? Really?
Yeah, I'm going to cook a real meal. 2 courses.
So how are we gonna do this?
Don't stand there, you're stressing me out. Let me finish what I'm doing first. Now, and voila, this is our starter. Look at the beautiful contrasting colours, red and green. You can have this one, it's more beautiful. The final element to this lovely meal is beautiful chicken. I love chicken, it's one of my favourite meats. Oh God, I don't know how to cook this. Oh no, the raw meat is making me feel sick. You're going to have to do this for me because you know I love animals and I can't touch this meat.
So how would you like your chicken cooked?
The way that you always do it, you know, like the way that it's cooked in the oven where it's quite crispy and I don't know really, but I like it like that.
So what's your plan for the other ingredients?
To be honest, I don't really know.
What?
I mean, I've cut them really nicely, right? I mean, surely that's the most complicated part. They just need to be cooked now. I've done most of it. The most part I've done. The rest, it's easy.
Okay.
Okay, the easy part, you can do that. Thank you. We're gonna go and relax now for a bit because Mummy's legs hurt.
Okay, now I'm going to take out the chicken bone. Like this. Now I'm going to put some salt on this chicken. And then I turn it, skin on top. Voila! Now I'm going to cut these into pieces. No one's going to eat a cucumber like this, it's too big. And also these tomatoes. How can we serve a starter like this big piece? Incredible. At least chop a little bit, no? Okay, now we mix them together. Tomatoes and cucumber. A little bit of chopped onion. Some lemon. Like this, use a fork. And then you turn and squeeze. Salt. Pepper. Olive oil. And a bit of sugar. This is brown sugar. Like this, I transform this mess to a classic French sauce. Sauce veg. For the rest of this cauliflower, I'm going to marinate it with some salt, cumin, pepper, and some olive oil. Mix it. And then this courgette, cut it into noodles shape. The famous zoodles. And this is the shape of noodles. Now put some butter in the pan, some olive oil. I'm going to pan sear my pre-cooked cauliflower. Like this. Yeah. Just grill it with butter. Okay, it's time for plating. My sauce veg. And then my grilled cauliflower. And then some fleur de sel. Okay, try it.
Thank you. Sadly, my recipe didn't see itself through to fruition, but that's because I had to let someone else take over. Oh wow, that's delicious. My God, it's so good to be with a chef. You can see why I never get any practice. Oh, it's so good. I'm helping you so you don't have to do the dishes later.
Here I'm going to cook my potatoes from cold water. Add lots of salt. Now the potatoes are all cooked. Butter inside. And then mix them just like that with a fork. We should mix them when it's very, very hot. Like this. And then we just add some more salt, pepper. Mix again. Now I'm going to cook the courgette noodles. This is onions. Until this color, onion has become a bit caramelized. Now we can put our courgette noodles in. As you can see, it shrinks very, very much. And then some salt for seasoning, some pepper. So good. Now the chicken is also done. Okay, I'm going to cut it into 2 pieces. Yeah, wow. And then this chicken soup, shouldn't waste it. These are the best part of the chicken. Very concentrated, very flavorful. In order to make a nice and quick sauce, I'm going to add soy sauce paste. 阿成师导油膏. Look at its color and thickness. It's incredible. It's time for plating. Some cool jack noodle. Take one. And then potato puree. The chicken. Spread some cauliflower. In the end, some sauce on top of the chicken.
It's amazing. It's completely different to what I imagined that puree is. Amazing. And I love the courgette. Was that quite difficult to cut into pieces?
Oh, that really cost me lots of time.
I'm going to use my hand for this chicken. Oh, that is amazing. Really, I'm lucky to have a chef to cook for me. I hope you don't think I'm a lazy woman. I had the full intention to cook this meal myself, but in the end, Chef Shu saved the day. When you lick the plate, you get a mixture of all the flavours combined.
Whoa, it's quite a huge task for me tonight. It's really not easy.
Oh, well thank you, and thank you for staying calm and saving the food. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Chef Shu. See you soon. Bye-bye.